You might be a functional or divisional specialist that wants to gain a broader perspective of the business. You might be a team leader that wants to accelerate their career more broadly into general management. You might feel that you have potential as a leader that is yet unrealized and you want to challenge yourself to achieve new heights. You might have a business you'd love to launch, or maybe you want to test whether diving into an executive MBA one day is right for you. One thing that participants of the Future Leaders program have in common is that they're hungry to make a difference, to grow as managers and leaders, to confront challenges facing business and society today, and to make a real impact in their teams, organizations, or communities. IMD is an ideal learning environment, a laboratory to try on new versions of yourself and to build the confidence and grow in a psychologically safe and inclusive environment. We will learn the foundations of general management online, and then we will bring the theory and learning to life on IMD's campus, face-to-face, in what we call our bootcamp module. Here, it will be exciting, immersive, intensive, and transformative. You will leave this program feeling inspired, transformed as a leader, and with the confidence to create change.